Why should people take our real estate training? It's very simple. You're trying to save time. The most valuable commodity we have is time. I've spent this about the last 20 years doing real estate, and I want to share it with you so that way instead of taking 20 years, you learn it probably in a month. Within a month, you can go out and get your first deal. You can make anywhere from 10, 20, 30 grand once you know where to look for the deals, what to do once you find the deals, how to find sellers, and how to put a deal together. Other things like how to finance the deals. We can teach you all this. Now, you can try learning this by never paying for anything, but you do pay for what you get in life. So, we have 30 videos, we have a manual, you have 2 days with me. I think that's a great investment. And I'll put up my money to do deals with you if you want a joint venture. So it's a win-win-win. If there's anything else we can do for you, let us know. If you have any questions, go to info@SAREIA.com and send us an inquiry, or give us a call at 210-501-0897. You take care.